Okay, today we're going to be doing a video of so if you like reading or like people reading to you, here's some channels that you could go and check out that the people read to you different books. So yeah, one of them is called Mr. Chapman Reading. So you type in Chapman. So, he reads this, the Iron Man and all the different videos, like this one. And he does maths and a few other things. This is the channel that you could go and check out if you think people reading these stories. But all different film videos and so yeah, and maybe you could type in, I've never tried this, but you could type in books, people reading books. And you could type in people reading funny stories and all that, and it comes up with lots of different books, right? So yeah. And I'm just going to show you something. If you go to Amazon, yeah, it comes up with kids here, like school books and all that. Sorry. It comes up with electrician, gift cards, PCs and all that. And then if you go on to type books in, I'm pretty sure it will probably come up with kids books. Like children's books you go on, okay? And it says babies to ages 3 to 5 and all that. I'm this. So yeah, these have got 6 to 8 in videos and pictures. And you can get this to read it yourself. So if you go into audiobook, it's free. You just go into audiobook, comes up with a different picture. Then it will read it to you.
Gigantic tittles.
Like that. So yeah, I think that'll be the end of the video today. So bye bye, hope you subscribe. Hit that like button because it doesn't do any more.